Hi, I'm Kaylee and I am part of the Marion Field Up to Play 60 team. Today for the 21-day challenge, we are making berry smoothies. You can choose 2 or more fruits. I'm using frozen strawberries and frozen blueberries. And you'll also need some milk. The tools you will be needing is a cup and a blender. First, you will be taking the lid and stuff off the blender. Then you'll be adding your first fruit. I'm starting with strawberries. Add as many as you want. You can add more strawberries than blueberries if you want a more strawberry taste, or more blueberries than strawberries if you want a more blueberry taste. I am probably doing half and half. I started with 4 strawberries. And then I'm going to add my blueberries. Add them in. That's probably enough. I did about 20 to the 25. Then you're going to add your liquid. I am using milk. You want your milk to be about, if yours has measurements and it's about this big, you should do about to the 250 line. And then when you blend it, you can always add more fruit or more milk. Okay, then you're gonna put on the lid. Make sure it gets on tight. Then you're gonna add the top. You're gonna do 5-second increments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think mine needs a little bit more milk. So I'm gonna open it back up. I'm gonna add some more milk because it's kind of chunky right now. So I added some more milk, and now I'm going to put the lid back on and blend it some more. Make sure the lid's on tight. Now we're going to do like a 10-second hold now so it gets really blended up. Okay, I'm going to look at it real quick. I'm going to do a few more seconds so it gets really blended up. And so that's that. And so now, if you think it's all mixed up and stuff, I'm going to take this out. I'm going to grab a napkin real quick. Take it out and set it on the napkin or in the sink or wherever. Then you're going to take your glass, and you're going to pour it in there. So, and then you can also use this as like a little spoon. So this glass is a little bit too small, but you can share with your friends so you have a lot left. So you can just share with your friends. And so yeah, that's how you make a berry smoothie. That's all for today. Bye!